Good morning, students. In this session, we discuss about the Java applets and applications. Okay, as we know that Java supports all types of software like Windows-based application, web-based application software, networking-based application software. Okay, so basically, we have to know about this. What is the difference between Java applet and application? In this session, we discuss about the what are the applets, okay, what are its use, what are the applications, okay, and in the next session we discuss about the similarity between applications and applets and difference between applets and applications, okay, and in the end of the session we discuss about the difference between the JavaScript and the Java, okay. Now we discuss about we start from the introduction of applets. Okay, basically Java offers the following two flavors of programming. Okay, first is the applets and the second is the applications. Okay, basically applets are programs that can be launched from within HTML documents. Okay, they are small programs used to add multimedia effects such as animation to web page. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is the markup used for creating web pages. HTML has tag specifically designed for applets. Okay, web browsers like Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator runs applet when the browser displays the HTML document. Okay, applets normally execute at the client machine that is different from the machine in which it was created. Basically, Java applications are programs that run standalone on a variety of computers and can be anything from simple programs to large software. Okay, they can run from the command line or have a graphical user interface. The application may connect to networks, database, or other application depending on the set of services it is using. Okay, applications are usually executed in the local machine itself. Okay, for running any Java application, you need to have JVM, that is the Java Virtual Machine, installed on your machine, and that is your system. We get JVM as a part of Java development toolkit, or if you buy a software package developed in Java, we easily get JVM with the package. However, today most operating systems have built-in in Java in JVM. Moreover, JVM in built into every Java-enabled web browser. Okay. Now we discuss about the basically for your knowledge. I want to discuss the basically Java. By using Java, we can develop Windows-based application, web-based application, networking-based application, and mobile application also. Okay, by using the different types of applications. Okay, now we discuss what are the similarity between applications and applets. Okay, Java applications and Java applets have the some common properties. Okay, the first is both are composed of one or more files with the dot class extension and having machine independent Java bytecode. Okay, and both require JVM to execute these bytecodes. Okay, so basically these are the similarity, okay, between the applications and applet. Now we discuss about the what are the difference between applets and applications. Okay, first we discuss about the applets. Okay, basically applets can be embedded in HTML pages and downloaded over the internet or intranet. Okay, applets can be only executed inside a Java compatible container such as modern web browser. Applets execute under a strict security limitation and are not permitted to access files or system services on the user's computer. Okay, applets are programs written especially for distribution over network and contain information to be delivered to the world, and that involves user interaction. For example, order entry form, registration form, mailing, etc. Now we discuss about the applications. that will be different from the applets. What are the differences? Applets have no special support in HTML for embedding or downloading. Okay, application can be executed from the command line using jvue.exe or java.exe. Okay, application have no security restriction, and applications are usually system level programs, that is those programs that run in the background and do not involve user interaction. Okay, for example, server administration, security manager, etc. Okay, so basically these are the difference between the applets and applications. Okay, now we can discuss about the difference between JavaScript and Java. Okay, we all already know about the Java. Basically, JavaScript is also developed by Netscape. Okay, and it is used for the. It is also known for the scripting language, and it is generally used for validation. Okay, basically, Java is developed by Sun Microsystem, and JavaScript is also is developed by Netscape. Okay, these are the first difference. The two languages are not related in any way. Basically, JavaScript source code is embedded within an HTML tag and execute at the client machine. Whenever the corresponding web page is loaded in the web browser, the entire web page is downloaded to the browser, and the JavaScript code is executed when an event is triggered. Okay, JavaScript is used to extend the usefulness of a web page. It can be used to perform functions like ensuring that user entering data into the forms correctly to create pop windows, etc. Okay, so basically this is the function of the JavaScript. Okay, so basically in case of the Java different. Now again we discuss about the differences. Okay, Java is developed by Sun Microsystem, but JavaScript is developed by Netscape. Okay, Java is a compiled and interpreted language. Okay, but JavaScript is a interpreted language. Java has complex syntax and requires strict programming practices. In other side, JavaScript is comparatively simply to program. Okay, Java is platform independent, but in case of the JavaScript, web browser provides the platform for JavaScript, and therefore the browser for which we are writing our JavaScript program is important. Okay, Java is ideally suited for client-server interaction. It has the ability to work with URL and talk to HTTP server. But in the other side, JavaScript in its current form is not designed for complete client-server interaction. It cannot talk directly to the server or talk to different protocols. Okay, it is only suited to handle client end activities. Okay, Java is a strongly typed language, which means the data type of values we are dealing with are very specific in type. But in case of the JavaScript, it is untyped, which means that the JavaScript can hold a value of any data type, and its data type does not have to be said when declaring the variable. Okay, so basically this is the end of the session. Okay, here we discuss the topics regarding applets, applications, what are the similarity between application and applets, and what are the difference between applets and application. Basically, difference between applets and application is also most important for your university examination. Okay, and at the end of the session we also discuss about the difference between JavaScript and Java. Okay, now we conclude the session. Okay, thank you.